If you want to know how to get credits in Leonardo AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the main ways to get more tokens in Leonardo AI, whether you're using the free plan or you need extra credits right away. This is super useful if you create a lot of images, test multiple prompts, or simply don't want to run out of tokens in the middle of a project. And before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first way to get credits in Leonardo AI is by using the daily free refresh. If you have a free account, Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens automatically. These tokens refresh every 24 hours, so if you use them up today, you'll get a fresh balance again after the reset. One important thing to know is that unused tokens do not roll over. So if you don't spend them, they won't stack up and carry into the next day. Instead, your balance simply resets back to 150. This makes the free plan great for casual users, beginners, or anyone who wants to try Leonardo AI without paying right away. So if you're just getting started, remember to check your balance daily and plan your generations around that refresh. Now, if you need more credits immediately, the second option is to purchase token top-up packs. This is the fastest way to keep creating without waiting for the daily reset. To do this, hover over your current token balance inside Leonardo AI and look for the upgrade option. Once you click that, you'll usually see choices to add more tokens or buy a subscription. This is where you can choose the amount that fits your usage. Top-up packs are helpful if you're in the middle of a project and don't want interruptions, especially if you're generating a lot of images or working with detailed prompts. The third way to get credits is by subscribing to a paid premium tier. If you use Leonardo AI often, a subscription may be the most convenient option because it gives you a more consistent supply of tokens over time. Instead of waiting for the free daily refresh, you can upgrade your plan and keep working more smoothly. This is a better option for creators, designers, marketers, or anyone using Leonardo AI regularly for work or content creation. So to quickly recap, you can get credits in Leonardo AI in 3 ways. Wait for the daily free token refresh, buy token top-up packs, or subscribe to a premium plan. If you're a light user, the free daily tokens may be enough. If you need credits right away, top-ups are the quickest fix, and if you use Leonardo AI all the time, a subscription can be the most efficient choice. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.